Welcome to my channel, friends. Today I will teach you how can change the front brake pad and rotor. This Ford Escape hybrid, they have a problem in the front brake. The ABS light is on, brake light is on, construction light is on. So we're gonna move the wheel and look at the front pad and rotors. You need a 19 mm socket to remove your lug nut. The rotor is rusty and very low, and the pad is low too. So we need a 17 mm socket, 18 mm socket, 19, and caliper pusher, and 7 mm Allen key socket to remove the caliper. 7 mm Allen key socket. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, and we're gonna bring more video for you guys. You can do it at your home and save the money. Now you need a 18 mm socket to remove the caliper bracket. This bolt is to stock. We need the bar to lose them. We tried a gun, but they never open. So we try to with hand to lose him. "19 mm socket, 18 mm socket, 1 Phillips screwdriver, and caliper pushing tools, and a hammer. That's it. Very simple and easy. To put the new rotor on. I have a tool to push it in. You can use the big pliers. They will be work fine. To push the caliper all the way down. Now it's time to install the brake pads. It's the 2011 Ford Escape hybrid. Now install the bracket. 18 mm socket. The most people, they just like my video but never subscribe. Please subscribe my channel to help me bring more mechanical videos for you guys. We will teach you step by step how can you save the money in your home. Put power back on the bracket. The one side is done. We're gonna go to other side. It's the same procedure. We tie the lug nut. Don't too much tight. In case if we open with the hand, they easily open. Now we're gonna go to the next side. Remove the clamp, remove the bolt. 7 mm Allen key socket. And 18 mm bracket socket. Use the hammer to remove the rotor. Push back the piston. New rotor, install the bracket. – 2011 Ford Escape Hybrid. Tie your lug nut, don't over tight. Check your brake fluid before the light is on, is very low. Now it's almost full. It's good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get my all new videos. Thank you.